We are making our chocolate lollipops. So first we're going to start off with pouring the sprinkles into the molds because we want the sprinkles to show up on top. Okay, so we started off by putting the sprinkles in so that the chocolate ends up on the bottom of the ice cream and you can see it. Okay, that's enough. You only need a little bit. So once we were done with all the sprinkles and the molds we wanted, we melted the chocolate. So moving on, we're going to taste test the chocolate before we microwave it. How is it? Good?
This is really
good. So all our molds are full of sprinkles. So they show up on the top. So after dumping out all the chocolate into the bowl, we put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then we stirred in between each use and kept warming it for 30 seconds until it was ready. So now that our chocolate is finished, we gave it one final stir before entering it into the molds. So good. Okay, so then we took a spoon and then we just put it in the mold and smoothed it out. And then we put our stick in.
Wait, but that was supposed to be yellow.
And then we put more chocolate on to hold our stick in place.
My turn. Is this enough?
Just if it's not enough, then you can just add more after. Don't mind our
I'm gonna
mess.
do this one.
This is a pretty messy craft.
Oopsies.
That's okay. Don't smooth it in until there's tons in there.
That's a spoonful.
So that's our ice cream cone one.
Now it's fine.
And we repeated this step for all of the chocolates. Whoa, good job, guys.
My turn.
These are just about ready to go in the freezer.
Emma!
To the freezer they shall go.
Emma's attacking me!
So we still had quite the bit of chocolate left over, so we decided to make some chocolate fudge out of it. So we just added some whipping cream and sugar, and then we'll freeze that.
Wow.
This part's a little messy. And then we just placed them into the molds so they could easily remove. And these were ready to go in the fridge and chill. We'll see you when they're ready. Reveal! Let's see how they turned out.
Oh god. They told.
You want to haul the first one out?
That's one's William's.
William, look at yours! Cool! That's awesome. Let me see.
Yeah, no,